Transform your brand with Tailor Brands. Are you ready to revolutionize your brand identity? Look no further than Tailor Brands, your all-in-one platform for creating stunning logos, business cards, social media graphics, and more. Whether you're a small business owner, an aspiring entrepreneur, or a creative professional, Tailor Brands has everything you need to stand out in today's competitive market. What is Tailor Brands? Tailor Brands is a cutting-edge branding platform powered by artificial intelligence. With our intuitive design tools and vast library of templates, you can easily create professional quality brand assets in minutes. From logos to marketing materials, Tailor Brands simplifies the branding process, allowing you to focus on what matters most, growing your business. Who is Tailor Brands suitable for? Tailor Brands is perfect for anyone looking to establish or elevate their brand presence. Whether you're a startup on a tight budget or a seasoned professional seeking to refresh your brand image, Tailor Brands offers affordable solutions tailored to your needs. With our user-friendly interface and customizable design options, you don't need to be a design expert to create eye-catching brand assets that leave a lasting impression. Why do you need Tailor Brands? In today's fast-paced digital world, a strong brand identity is essential for success. Your brand is more than just a logo, it's the cornerstone of your company's reputation and credibility. With Tailor Brands, you can ensure that your brand reflects your unique vision and values, resonating with your target audience and setting you apart from the competition. Plus, with our comprehensive suite of branding tools, you can maintain consistency across all your marketing channels, reinforcing brand recognition and trust. Join Tailor Brands today. Link of Tailor Brands in the first comment of this video. Thank you for watching our video. Have a wonderful day.